How to log in BBSI Payroll account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your BBSI Payroll account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser, and here once you're inside the web browser, simply click on the search bar and simply type bbsi.com and simply search for it. And now here once you search for that, you'll be prompted to the official homepage of BBSI. So here to log in, simply click on the login button, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And here once you click on it, on the next page, simply click on login to my BBSI option. And here once you do that, you will be prompted to the login portal. Now here in this section, you just have to enter your BBSI email address. And now here, once you have entered the email address, simply click on continue, and after that on the next page you need to enter your password. And here once you're done with everything, you can just click on login, and after that you will be logged into your BBSI payroll account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.